Hello everybody, my name is Swati Gupta and today I am going to tell about this amazing book which I came across and I bought it from Amazon. So this book is a practice workbook for children and so basically this is about how can you master your mathematics. So mathematics is all about practice. So as you say, practice makes the man perfect. That is only possible if we have worksheets or workbooks just like this. So first I'm going to tell you about the best things and why I feel that I really like this book and why should you get this book for your child. So there are different reasons. One, there is n number of practice questions. Each practice paper, so there are around 14 practice papers. Each practice paper has got 30 questions and those 30 questions are just not based on one chapter like measurement 30 questions, this ratio proportion 30 questions. No, basically this practice papers have the question paper of whole syllabus of mathematics. That paper contains each and every chapter. It talks about ratio, proportion, geometry, angles, measurement, fractions. It has got all the number concepts like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. They also have questions based from algebra. So basically all in all they are covering the whole of mathematics in this book in terms of papers. So that is amazing. The second amazing thing about this book is they have all answers at the back with the explanation. The answer key is there behind with the explanation, which makes the life easier for the child as well as for the parent. So what happens is when the child has done, suppose, so my daughter really loved it, so she solved pretty many of them. So when the child likes doing it, so she has a habit of keeping and doing it and all that. So when the child does it, they really want an acknowledgement whether they have done it correctly or not. So when you have an answer sheet attached with it, so the child can do a self check and learn on his own. There are different small tricks of solving it easier and faster. The third important thing is you can check your graph of improvement. So since there are so many practice papers, so suppose there are also marks written in this. Just like this, see, maths paper 1, booklet A, booklet B, total time 1 hour, total marks 45 minutes. So the child understand the importance of time. Mathematics is not just about solving it right, it also is about how fast is your solution, how fast can you solve it so that you can excel in your competitive exams. And the second is because of the marks present in it, you can see how you're grading. So you can check your improvement graph. The fourth important thing is you can also check your weaknesses. So when you are solving all the questions of different chapters, so normally when you're doing one chapter and doing all the questions of that particular chapter, you're not able to realize, okay, this chapter I had this weakness. But when you're doing all throughout all the chapters, then you realize, oh my God, in this particular chapter, like in ratio and proportion, I'm taking more time, so probably I'm little weak in that. So I should, do more practice with that paper. So that is really good. I really like this bank of question paper. I really like the way they have given the space also. So the space helps you to actually solve it and write the answers over here. So you just don't need a rough notebook or anything, or you can solve it somewhere else, and they have done it for everything. So they have given the space for solving, they have given the space for the answers. Answers can be checked from behind. So I really liked and I totally recommend this book because see, we are all stuck up at home. We are all wanting our children to excel. We want our children to be productively involved in their work. So this is a best way of productive involvement. And believe you me, when my daughter or when I see my child doing it so diligently and I really have to pull her out. Let's go, Ashvika, let's go out. I hope you're done. Because when she sits on these kind of papers, she just keeps doing it, and automatically her inner confidence is increasing that yes, she's good in the subject, and she would want to do it better. Another important point of this is these kind of books is they have challenging questions. It's not typically super easy or simple question, simple simplification or simple ratio proportion. They are actually trying to connect you with the real world. They're actually trying to connect you with the with the current situation, with the other so in making the mathematics involved in how you can involve in your real life situation. So there are questions based on this, there are problem sums, so there are different kind of sums, and there are more than 350 to 400 questions in this book, which is awesome. So yes, I totally recommend this book. If you want to buy this book, don't forget to check my description. The link would be in the description below, and you can also go to their Instagram page, which is SGMATHSWORKBOok. So I will leave the link over there so that you can go to their page. You can check their page out, and if you have any queries, you can DM them. So I hope you found this review useful, and if you found it, don't forget to like, comment and share, and also let me know if you want to hear any review of any book. I can read it for you, and I'll be more than happy to do it for you. So with that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get an information, you get a notification whenever I am uploading another video. Thanks for now. Take care of yourself, stay safe and happy learning.